Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to fold the Phoenix Paper Airplane, one of the smoothest and most stable gliders you can make from a single sheet of paper. Its elegant shape gives it long, graceful flights, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced paper airplane enthusiasts. Let's begin. Start with an A4 or letter-sized sheet of paper in portrait orientation. Make sure the paper is clean and flat because accurate folds always produce better flights. First, fold the top left corner diagonally to the right edge, align the edges carefully, and press the crease firmly. Unfold it. Now repeat the same fold with the opposite corner, creating another diagonal crease. Open the paper again. These two creases will guide the rest of the airplane. Next, bring one side of the paper inward so it lines up with the diagonal crease. Keep everything as straight as possible before making the fold. Repeat the same process on the other side until both sides look even. Now fold the upper section downward along the horizontal crease you've created. Press the fold neatly to lock the shape. Turn the paper over and rotate it so the pointed end faces to your left. Fold the airplane in half along the center line, making sure the nose and the back edges line up perfectly. Take the short front edge and fold it downward to the bottom edge of the airplane. Flip it over and repeat the same fold on the opposite side so both layers match. Open the top layers slightly. Fold the small inner flap upward to lock all the layers together. Close the airplane again and press gently. This locking fold makes the body stronger and keeps the airplane secure during flight. Now it's time to create the wings. Starting from the nose, fold the first wing downward at a slight upward angle toward the tail. The back edge of the wing should meet the rear corner of the body. Turn the airplane over and repeat the same fold on the other side, making sure both wings are identical. Open both wings completely. Bend them slightly upward to create a small dihedral angle. This helps the airplane stay balanced and stable while gliding through the air. Finally, add a tiny upward bend at the back edge of both wings. This acts like a small elevator, helping the airplane maintain a smooth and controlled glide without stalling. Your Phoenix Paper Airplane is now ready to fly. Hold it gently near the center of the body and launch it with a smooth, level throw. Avoid throwing it too hard. The Phoenix performs best with a gentle release, allowing it to glide steadily across the room or outdoors in calm weather. If the airplane dives quickly, increase the upward bend slightly. If it stalls and climbs too much, reduce that bend a little. Small adjustments can make a big difference in flight performance. With careful folding and a little tuning, the Phoenix becomes an impressive paper glider capable of long, stable flights. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you in the next paper airplane tutorial. Happy folding and happy flying.